Good afternoon, everybody. The time is 11:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 8/14, 2019. This update that we're giving out, this is part two of the S&P 500. And the low on that S&P 500 was 2841. And I'm going to draw a trend line over here, and we'll be doing part three later on. But we've had very heavy requests to try to update some individuals, and I could just say right now, this was the lows that we had over here. That was on 8.5, and that low was 28.22. We hit the low right here just a little while ago, and that low was 28.41. And right now we have a bar right there at 28.56. So the selling is increased. They come in, they try to get some bounces. S&P was down 75 points. You can see where that gap down was at 29.30, and then you could see the low at 28.41. Well, you do the math, and this is that trend line that we kept showing where breakouts have happened and whatnot. It's this one right here. That was the important one. And we're going to retest those lows. And we will be updating everybody as to what those lows. Really, the S&P doesn't have any really good support. If it got down to 27.25, then we would be looking at that area for a bigger support level. The volatility is here to stay. And every time that they tried to get a rally, like yesterday right here, based on a Trump tweet, well, you can see what happened with Trump's tweets. We made lower lows, and we did. And this trend line right here is very critical. That's where the breakout was. We'll be updating the closing bell later on this evening, and we'll let everybody know what they can expect. And there is not enough fear in these markets. We need to see blood in the street. We need to see people who want to throw in the towel. Then I will tell you that we would have a bottom, but that has not happened yet. And it will. Oh, yeah, it will. It's just somewhere in here, they've got to go ahead and continue the downside move. So everybody that has a stop loss on the S&P, all the big guys, hedge fund managers, money managers, their stop losses get taken out all the way down. Once these sellers have been killed and they're done, they got stopped out, they don't want nothing to do with the S&P, that's when we get a bottom. And that's the day that I'll let you know. When that happens, it will happen.